Hello, good morning students. In Saturday's period we studied about how to write letter to the principal, and that letter was which letter? It was a formal letter. Okay, formal letters are written to the what we call to the respected people like a principal, then educational officer. More if you want to tell about is like to the teacher, to the tahsildar, anything educational officers you can say. Then any documentary work when we have to do that, at that time we have to write down formal letters. And when we write letters to our father, mother, sister, brother, relatives, correct, friends, that is called informal letter. Okay, so Saturday we studied about a formal letter to the principal, okay, issuing books at home. Now in 17th lesson what is given is, it is part 2. Here now, no formalities please. Take out your page number 38. Okay. Now here it is given, Mrs. Desai met the principal soon after class. She told her about the excitement that followed the announcement of the new books in the library. They just cannot wait to read all those lovely books, she beamed. The principal was also delighted and praised her. The credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. You have created and aroused their interest in reading books. It is going to help them a great deal in future. Yes, madam, said Mrs. Desai. But they find the weekly library period too short a time to read. So my students are going to appeal to you to allow home issue of books. They have written to you a letter of request. This is already done in lesson number 16. You know it very well. Already letter writing we have done. Correct? Letter to the principal, Sri Ganesh International School, Korare, date. Then in the left corner we have written to the principal, Sri Ganesh International School, subject, issuing request of issuing books at home. Correct? And then respected sir, and then we started writing about that we, as we have only one period in the week, we are not able to complete reading, and if some holidays comes in between, then we don't get our library period. Correct? We miss our library period. This and that all things you have written in the letter. Now Mrs. Desai, when this letter writing was over, then she went to the principal and she told that students are going to write a letter to you. Already letter writing is over in the class. Then principal says that, oh, it's very good. If we are telling about about new books, and if students are excited to read those books, that credit goes to you, because you are telling students about the books, and that reading or the reading of story books will help students to improve their knowledge, to improve their vocabulary. Correct? They will even improve their language, English language, the way of reading. They will learn everything. Correct? And so principal praises Mrs. Desai. Now here, a letter, why? Asked the principal in surprise. I had to teach the class how to write polite formal letters, and I took this opportunity to make them actually write a formal letter, explained Mrs. Desai. Then the principal said that, why you told them to write a letter? Then she told that I was going to teach them how to write a formal letter, and then I got an opportunity. I got a subject. So she said that I got a subject to write letter to you. So all students have appealed you by writing letter about issuing books at home. Then what happened? What principal sir said? Excellent, Mrs. Desai, exclaimed the principal, and I shall not dampen their interest in reading. I shall certainly allow them to take books home for reading. Principal sir, first before reading letters of the students, he said that I will not dampen, means what? I will not refuse their request. I will not say no to the students. I will allow them to read. I will allow them to take the library books at home, and I will not dampen their interest. I will allow them to read books, and I will increase their interest in reading library books. The next morning, the principal found the letter on her desk. She signed the letter with the remark, permission granted, and sent it to the librarian. To encourage the children of standard or class 4th, further, the principal instructed the librarian to give a written reply to the students, and here is what he wrote. Now, as principal was very happy, each and every student had written letter, and from that one letter was kept on the principal's table. After reading that letter, she was very happy. And then how to give reply to the students, or then they have taken so much effort to write formal letter to me, then I should give some reply or not. Then she told librarian that on behalf of me, you please give reply to the students of class 4th. Then librarian is writing letter to the students. What it is? Library, Pragati Vidyalaya, Vachanpur, 7th July 2014. To the students of class 4th. Dear children. Now this letter is written by whom? This letter is written by librarian. लायब्ररीचे जे सर असतात ना, त्या सरांनी लेटर मुलांना लिहिलंय. ओके. टू द स्टुडंट्स ऑफ क्लास 4. डिअर चिल्ड्रन, I am delighted to know that you are so keen on reading the new books in our school library. In our school library. I am delighted means what? I am so happy to know. मला समजलं आहे की तुम्हाला माझ्या लायब्ररीमधले बुक्स आवडतात खूप वाचायला. सो आय एम सो हॅप्पी दॅट यू आर सो कीन ऑन रीडिंग द न्यू बुक्स इन आवर स्कूल लायब्ररी. The principal has been kind enough to grant your class permission for home issue facilities. Now librarian is saying that principal is ready to issue your books at home. Principal is ready to issue your books at home only for your class. I shall keep the library open for an hour after school on all weekdays. You can come and collect any one book of your choice and return it the following week. But I must urge you to read and observe the library rules displayed in the library. Do come and enjoy reading the books. Sincerely yours, Mr. Vijay Patil, librarian. Now what librarian said that you can come. Now Thursday is the time of, or that Thursday is the library period of class 4th. So Thursday they will go, and once the school gets over, what they will do? They will go in library and they will collect, or they will issue one book. They will collect one book and take it at home and return it on next Thursday. And librarian is saying that there are some rules. Correct? There are some rules of library. Those rules are written in the library. You have to follow that all rules. In this way, letter was written by librarian to the students. Then what happens further in the lesson that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.